Hey, it's Eran here. I wanted to answer a question from somebody that sent me an email asking about getting access to one of my courses, which is Facebook Organic Mini Course. And this is something I'm testing now because I get a lot of questions on email, and I figured maybe I'll record answers in a video. That way other people who might be interested in this can benefit from it, and I'll document it into an FAQ page on my website so I can kind of create a bit of a library. So this was the message that I actually put in my email. And I basically shared that I updated the course, Facebook Organic Mini Course, and gave some info about the update and why it's good, an important update. I got a question from somebody saying, I went to watch the video on the organic hacks for Facebook group leads. I see you have to be a member. What are the options for that? So there are three options to get access to this course at the time of recording. Option number one, if you are joining my templates and guides membership, go to erantemplates.com/membership. You will see here that one of the bonuses, you get 30-day access to this course. So that's option number one. Option number two is the the tech support membership, which is this page, and you get access to my courses as part of it as well, as you can see. So these courses, one of them is included, and you can get access to it there. Again, you don't own it, but you do get access to it. The third option is in my landing page in a day. That's option number one. Or also if you go to email guide, so eran.link/email guide, you'll be able to grab my beginner's guide to email marketing. And then you'll notice that here again, there is a bonus to get access to this course as well, if you get the upsell basically. So you see here, there's the upsell here for $19. And if you were to tick that, then you're gonna get this bonus included as well. So that's another option. Also, there is actually a fourth option as well. So let me just show you how that works. So if you go to eran.link/LP, which stands for landing page, you will notice here that you get access to the course, and also you get the bonus to the course as well. That's another option. And then also, if this is just temporary ownership, if you want to own it for life, there is an upgrade, and you will notice here on the second upsell, there is a $97 list builder bundle, and one of the courses included is the Facebook Organic Mini Course. So when you buy this course, landing page in a day, for $5, when you get to this step of the funnel, the $97 for the list builder bundle, if you say yes to that, then you will get the Facebook Organic Mini Course access for life. So this is really the only option right now to get access to the course and actually own the course for life. Everything else is available so long as you're a member or for a 30-day bonus period, basically. That's the only options available right now. I will plan to actually have it available so you can buy it standalone, but that's not, at the time of recording at least, that's not what is available. So thanks a lot for the question, Lauren, I really appreciate it. Sorry, my lighting is just not very good. I gotta fix that. But anyway, hopefully that answered your questions. And yeah, that's about it. I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.